You don't hate hard work. If that were true, you wouldn't spend hours scrolling, researching, planning, thinking. You can work hard. You've done it before. What you actually struggle with is uncertainty. The moment you don't know what will happen next, your energy drops, your motivation fades, and suddenly, doing nothing feels safer than trying. This isn't laziness. It's protection. And once you understand that, everything changes. Think about it. When a task is clear, you don't hesitate much. If someone tells you exactly what to do, step by step, you can execute it. But when the outcome is unclear, when you're not sure if it will work, not sure if you're good enough, not sure if the effort will pay off, you stall, you overthink, you research more, you plan more, you tell yourself you'll start when you're ready. But ready never really comes. Because the real discomfort isn't effort. It's the unknown. You don't know if you'll fail. You don't know if people will judge you. You don't know if you're wasting time. So instead of moving forward, you stay in analysis mode. Because thinking feels productive, but it's safer than acting. And safety feels better than uncertainty. Your brain is designed to reduce uncertainty. From an evolutionary perspective, uncertainty meant danger. If you didn't know what was ahead, you slowed down. You became cautious. That wiring didn't disappear. It just changed form. Now uncertainty looks like posting your first video, starting a new habit, applying for something bigger, trying to improve your life. Your brain doesn't evaluate it logically. It evaluates it emotionally. If I can't predict the outcome, I'd rather not risk it. So you delay, not because work is hard, but because outcomes aren't guaranteed. The solution isn't forcing confidence. It's reducing uncertainty in small ways. Instead of asking, will this succeed? Ask, what is the next smallest action? Shrink the scope. Don't commit to mastering something. Commit to testing something. Action reduces uncertainty faster than thinking ever will. Because once you move, you gather data, and data calms the mind. Uncertainty shrinks when reality replaces imagination. You don't need guarantees. You need movement. Small, repeatable movement. When you take small actions, your brain learns this isn't dangerous. And once it no longer feels dangerous, resistance drops. You don't hate hard work. You hate not knowing what happens next. And that's human. But if you keep waiting for certainty, you'll stay where it feels safe. If you move despite uncertainty, you build proof. And proof builds confidence, not the other way around. If this made you rethink your hesitation, stay around. We're not chasing motivation. We're understanding behavior, layer by layer.